everyone, welcome back to the channel Positivity and Happiness. I hope you all are doing great. So I am Purba and today I welcome you all in my new video, which is winter special weight loss diet plan. It's a 1200 calorie Indian diet plan for this winter season. Many of you have requested me to share a full day diet plan especially on winter season. So here is my full day diet plan video. But yes, I have already shared winter special breakfast recipes with you all. 3 breakfast ideas I have shared with you all. So thank you so much for liking that video. But today it's a full day diet plan. So first of all, in the morning time after waking up, you have to take this morning drink. So it's a lukewarm water with lemon and with honey. Honey is very important for the winter season. It will keep you warm. And after having it within 15 minutes, you have to have 5 soaked almonds. And now it's breakfast time. Today for breakfast, I'll be sharing oats omelette recipe. This is perfect breakfast for your weight loss journey. And my friends, it's absolutely gluten free. So it's very healthy for your health. If you want to lose your weight really fast, you have to give this breakfast a try. So now let's see how I make this very delicious oats omelette for this winter season. Here in the mixing bowl, first of all, I have taken 1 cup of warm water and then in the water I have taken oats. This is half cup of oats and then I am mixing oats with water and then I'll add one by one all the ingredients like eggs, 1 whole eggs, onion, carrots, little bit of dhania patta or coriander leaves, some salt and green chili, little bit of pepper, and of course turmeric powder. I always tell you, if you are on your weight loss journey, please keep turmeric in your diet. Turmeric has a good anti-inflammatory properties, so it's very good for your health. Now I am mixing all the ingredients properly and thoroughly. And here in my favorite frying pan, I have added some olive oil. Just 1 tablespoon of olive oil I have added. You know, whenever I make my breakfast, I use olive oil. So olive oil is a good choice if you're on your weight loss journey. Also coconut oil, avocado oil, these oil are also good. Here I am making 2 medium size oats omelette, but yes, you can make 1 big omelette too. Choice is yours. Now I'm adding some cilantro on top. After cooking it one side properly, now I'm gonna flip it and look how beautifully this part is cooked. And now in the low flame, I'll cook for 2 to 3 minutes and also I'll cover the lid, and within 3 minutes my oats omelette will be ready. Very healthy, very delicious breakfast. So yeah, after 3 minutes now I am checking. With the help of a fork you can check whether it's cooked or not. Yes, it's cooked perfectly and now my breakfast is ready. And here is the delicious breakfast is ready. After waking up, after taking your morning drink and soaked almonds, you can do your morning exercise for 30 minutes. It's must if you are on your weight loss journey. Especially in the winter season, you have to do regular exercise and then my friends, you can have your breakfast. So after waking up within 2 hours, you have to finish your breakfast. So for example, if you wake up around 6 o'clock, by 8 o'clock in the morning, you have to finish your breakfast. And with this breakfast platter, you can have 2 dates, because I know many of you crave for some sweet dish after having this savory breakfast. Then yes, you can have 2 dates and also 1 cup of tea. But please remember, this tea is without sugar. Yes, my friends, if you are on your weight loss journey, if you want to lose your weight fast, then definitely you have to avoid sugar or any kind of refined sugar. So this tea is without sugar. And around 10:30 to 11 as a mid-morning snack, you can have 1 winter special seasonal fruits. So here I am showing you orange because I absolutely love having orange, and also oranges are perfect for your weight loss journey, loaded with vitamin C and essential other vitamins and fiber. Or you can have 1 apple too. And now it's time to prepare a super healthy and delicious lunch. Today for lunch I'll prepare fish curry, Bengali style fish curry with cauliflower and potatoes. This is perfect meal for the winter time because in Bengali families in the winter days we love to have this kind of comfort fish recipe. But yes, definitely in my channel I'll upload full day Indian vegetarian diet plan too for the winter season. But today I'm sharing this non-vegetarian fish curry recipe, and this is cauliflower with potatoes, and in one dish you will get everything. You will get protein from fish, you will get vitamin and essential minerals, everything from other veggies and spices like cauliflower, potatoes, and also here are some winter special spices which can definitely boost your metabolism like bay leaves, cinnamon, cloves and cardamom. Here is a spice mixture. I'll tell you later when I use it in my recipe. And of course tomatoes, green chili and onion. So it's gonna be super healthy, super delicious. And here is my soaked rice because I'll make rice too. So now let's start. And here in the oil I'm frying my cauliflower and potatoes first. And lightly I'll fry it. I'll not fry it for long period of time, just 2 to 3 minutes it will be ready. And now it's time to fry my fish pieces. After frying cauliflower and potatoes, I have marinated my fish pieces with turmeric and little bit of salt. Fish is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acid and good source of protein. And my friends, please try to add rohu fish in your diet as it's excellent source of phosphorus too. And now in the oil I have added my all dry spices like bay leaf, cinnamon, cardamom, cloves and cumin seeds. And now here I am adding chopped onion and chopped green chili. Then I am giving it a good mix. Just a little amount of salt and little bit of black pepper. Black pepper also is a very good spice for the winter season. And my spice mix. That spice mix was with cumin powder, little bit of red chili powder and garam masala powder. This mix always gives a good flavor into the dish. And here I have added my cauliflower, potatoes and tomatoes too. I'm mixing everything well. Also I have added green peas into it. Here you can see my friends. I just love to add lots of veggies in my diet, and please in the winter season you too have lots of green veggies. So I covered the lid, and after 5 to 7 minutes, now here you can see my cauliflower and carrots are well cooked, and now here I am adding my fried fish pieces. Then again I'll cover the lid. And before covering the lid, here I am adding some cilantro or dhania patta to add more flavor into the dish. And yes, now my fish curry is absolutely ready. Trust me my friends, it's super flavorful and super tasty. And now it's serving time. So my friends, here you can see I have added some salad also in my plate. And here in this small bowl, I have already shared this bowl with you all in my other diet plan videos. In this small bowl, I have taken one bowl of rice. So if you want to lose weight fast, you have to cut down your carbohydrate. So that's why just one small bowl of rice. And with that small portion of rice, here you can enjoy this good portion of healthy and super yummy fish curry. Here I am adding some garam masala on top. It's perfectly balanced with all the good flavors. If you are non-vegetarian my friends, then definitely you should try this Bengali style fish curry recipe. You have seen it's not oily, not spicy, but perfectly balanced with all the good flavors. And with this salad and one piece of lemon, it will be just yum. So here is my healthy lunch is ready. After having your lunch around afternoon time, you can have 1 cup of tea with 2 oats cookies. Around 4:30, if you feel hungry, you can have this weight loss milk tea without sugar. Yes, my friends, this is completely without sugar. If you want the recipe, I'll give the recipe of this weight loss milk tea. Also for the winter time, I have added some cinnamon and also I have added ginger into it. It's very flavorful and very tasty. It will definitely boost your metabolism too. And here you can see in this box I have some dry fruits like dates, apricot and then figs. You can have a handful of these dry fruits too if you want more hungry. So these two are your choice as a evening or afternoon snacks. And now it's dinner time, and today for dinner I'll be preparing super healthy and very delicious, flavorful and with winter vegetable. I'm making this chicken recipe. This is very healthy stir fry chicken, and I have taken capsicum, tomatoes, spring onion, just normal pink onion, and here is olive oil, salt and pepper. Also I'll take 1 chapati. So here I have already made the dough. So let's start. Here in this pan I have added olive oil, and then I'll add all the veggies one by one. First of all, here I am adding garlic. I told you already in my previous video when I shared winter special grocery shopping, then I told you garlic, ginger, ghee and honey, all these ingredients are very important for the winter season to keep you warm. And now I'll add all the veggies. Here also you can add broccoli too, you can add cabbage too, so choice is yours, but I'm using these veggies. Just a little amount of salt, and look how colorful my veggie is looking. And also I have added some black pepper. After sauteing the veggies, now here I have added my chicken pieces. I have marinated my chicken pieces with just a little drop of lemon and also some black pepper. And here I am adding spring onion. Again I am mixing everything well. And now here I am adding little bit of paprika powder into it to add a good flavor and good color. Here you can see, my friends, my chicken is 80% cooked. And now I'll cover the lid for 3 to 4 minutes. My chicken will be absolutely ready by that time. Just a little amount of dhania on top. And one good thing is that one part of chicken is completely roasted too. And this way I love to have my chicken, especially for the dinner. And I'm covering the lid. So yes, here is my winter special chicken is absolutely ready. And my friends, you can add lots of other winter special veggies like broccolis, like beans, peas as I told you. Some spring onion on top, and my dinner is ready. And here quickly I am making chapati, and with my chapati I'll have some ghee. I have added some ghee, you have seen on top, because in the winter season ghee will keep you warm. So always add at least 1 tablespoon of ghee in your whole day diet. So yeah, here is the dinner is ready, absolutely delicious, and you can enjoy this multigrain chapati with this absolutely healthy chicken and some salad. Also you can add some lemon on top, because I always tell you that if you squeeze some lemon juice on top of your any item, it will definitely help you to extract the iron from your food. So it's very good for your health. And my friends, around 8 o'clock you have to finish your dinner. Please don't be late. If you feel like having anything, if you feel hungry around bedtime, then you can have 1 cup of turmeric milk. This is good for this winter season too. But please finish your dinner, main dinner, around 8 o'clock. And here is jaggery. If you want to feel like having any sweets after your dinner, then you can have little amount of jaggery too. So that's all from today's video, my friends. I hope you have really enjoyed my winter special 1200 calorie Indian diet plan. Today it's a non-vegetarian version, but very soon I'll share a vegetarian diet plan with you all, winter special vegetarian weight loss diet plan. And before finishing today's video, I want to take a name of my beautiful subscriber. Her name is Trina. Trina, thank you so much for being a part of my positivity and happiness family. I'll tell your name one more time in my video when I'll sit and talk to you guys peacefully. But today I just want to mention that you are so sweet, so lovely. You are such a nice girl. Please keep on motivating me with your beautiful comments. So yeah, I'll see you guys super soon. You please take care of your health, my friends. Do your regular exercise, drink plenty of water, and also please avoid junk food and any unnecessary fatty and spicy food. Please, instead you can have lots of healthy yet yummy food. I'm here to share lots of recipes with you all, lots of healthy diet plans with you all. So please, I'll see you guys super soon. So tata, bye bye, love you. Please take care. Bye bye.